Chesapeake Bay means a lot to me, but my unending love, endless, boundless love is in the Patuxent River because I grew up on it as a child. I worked the waters as a young man until I went into service in World War II and came back and opened up a business place on the river. So I call the Patuxent River the beautiful lady. She's been so good to me all of my life. All during the Great Depression back in '29, it was absolutely food out there in abundance. Nobody went hungry in this area. It's in my blood, and it's the Patuxent River's a part of me, and I just can't divorce it in any way, shape, or form.